Umerox Device is designed for the vaporization of the Umerox medication. The active ingredient, methoxyflurane. Methoxyflurane vapors provide analgesic and anxiolytic effects. Components of the Umerox device: touchscreen display, control buttons, inhalation tubes, inhalation handle, carbon filter, power button. Install the carbon filter. Connect the device to the power supply. Press the power button. Insert the Umerox vial. Attach the protective cap. In the information section, select the vial volume. Confirm the replacement. Press the red triangle to return to the main menu. Select filling. The device is now ready for use. During each procedure, use the mouthpiece and nasal clip. To start the procedure, press Start. Inhales should be deep and somewhat sharp, while exhales should be slow. The mouthpiece should be tightly sealed with your lips. Inhale and exhale the medication only through the mouthpiece. When the patient inhales, the data on the dose received gets updated on the screen. Start the procedure after the patient has received a dose of 500 microliters. Inhalation of the vapors can continue throughout the procedure as long as the pain persists. To end the procedure, press the Stop button. Place the protective cap on the inhalation handle. Ventilate the system. When the volume of the medication in the vial decreases to 15%, a notification will appear. If the required dose has not been reached, it is recommended to replace the vial. If the medication volume is depleted, replace the vial and perform cleaning. If there is medication left in the vial, it is not necessary to disconnect it at the end of the workday. The device should be turned off by pressing the power button. Umerox, an innovative inhalation approach for procedural analgesia and enhancing patient comfort.